actually has a Rocket League and Fortnite and all in Super Bowl.
Are
you Mr. Jordan?
Have you gamed?
Yes.
Will you game?
No.
Then you
Why did she giggle like that?
I played Fortnite.
Have you?
Okay, you guys,
Hey.
we're starting. You guys remember exponential form?
Yeah.
Been a while.
I thought this was Mr.
Alright, who wants to start today?
Me.
Okay, Roman, how do we write this in exponential form?
Wait.
Is that what you're
So
asking?
5 times.
Okay, what's the exponent on the 5?
Oh, 2.
No,
Wow. 1.
1.
And then there's a 2. Yeah.
So this is 5 to the what?
Second. Oh wait. Oh, third.
5 to the 1 half.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And then you got x to the 1/2, and then you got y to the 5th seconds.
5 halves. Okay, let's go. Timothy, how do we write this in radical form? I actually put 2 of these on the test, but I did make the test a lot easier than I had last week, but this part I didn't really change. This is like the harder of the 2 though.
Yeah, actually, that's fine. Oh wait, I was saying.
Okay. Right. You have to write these, listen. You have to write these so that all the denominators are the same. So that will give you your root. So what do 2, 3, and 6 all go into?
6.
So when you multiply this one by 3 and multiply this one by 2, so it's 3, 6, 2, 6, and 5, 6.
Can it be spiritual?
Okay, and then, so what should go out here? 6. What, okay, Timothy, what should go right here?
3.
Three what? Okay, it's 3 to the 3rd. Just it's like the opposite of this. The top number is the exponent. Okay, a to the b to the. Okay, 3 to the 3rd though. Go ahead and simplify. It's 27. You guys got it?
If we don't simplify on the test,
You'll get it wrong. No, I would take a point off for that.
Dude, what are we like selling money for?
Roman show.
We
Need to calm down.
All right. Let's do this. Let's go back and forth.
You ever like,
Coxon got 3.
you ever like win an eating competition? Just for free food.
What? Dude,
No, like
let's stop killing animals for food.
let's keep
this
this.
is why this is, bro. This is exactly why we need to bring back bullying, dude. Because people like that. For real.
Bring back bullying. Bro says that every day.
Me personally. I'm not
That's
stopping.
fictional anime.
You're acting like yours is any better.
It
Yeah. Saying you're better niece is not like a.
That's
Not a great defense. Alright.
But if you get rid of the Paxton, it would be false. Paxton's.
I just love the stories that show the teenage girls who get home and she loves work. I don't love it.
Clean got it out of context. Clean took it out of context.
No, bro, it's just crazy what I heard. It's wilding.
Broden better cook.
Yeah, bro. That's crazy.
Better cook, bro.
No, that's crazy.
Alright. Yeah, Paxton, I guess. Square root of 49. Yep. I put an easy one on there for you guys. Okay. Not so much this one. Skylar. Should I give you guys some time to do? Let's go ahead and do like the first couple.
What number am I doing?
4.
Number 4.
Thanks.
Yeah, you got the tough one. So, what do we do, Skylar? What's our first step?
You do 10 times 25.
Okay, do the tree. 25 and 10.
25 is 5 and 5.
So now what?
5 is outside the box, and 2 is inside the box.
Good job.
Yeah.
That wasn't so bad, was it?
No, it wasn't. I love math. It's better than killing animals. Just kidding.
So you're saying killing animals is good? 'Cause you
No,
said you love
it's
math.
better.
It's even better than killing animals.
Not even better, it's better. I would do math for the rest of my life. If it missed, everyone
I
would.
bet Skylar goes home and eats it.
You know there's a Bible verse that said God said you can eat the animals, right?
Yeah, it's
It's way
almost
back.
like he made them food for a
But you
reason.
can, but you shouldn't.
Bro, he literally made them taste good just so we
It
would eat
tastes
them.
bad.
Also, it's pretty much guaranteed Jesus did too.
Yep.
But he can't sin.
The only food it doesn't.
Exactly, so it's not
He's
sinning.
the exception.
Are you saying we're sinning when we eat meat? Is that what you're saying?
Stop talking, you're getting
Wait.
yourself in a hole.
Okay, anyway, let's move on. Let's do a couple more, I guess, and then we'll write some more down. Gianna.
What do you mean?
Huh? What's happening?
You do 2 and 100, and then that would be like 10 and 10, so then you got your double right there.
Yeah, you could break 10 down again, but since it's already double, you can kind of stop right there.
So you get 10 squared root 2.
One more maybe, Carolyn? Did you try 6 yet? Okay, if you were to do 6, what would you do?
You do the tree.
Okay, Carolyn.
Shut up.
What'd you say? Okay, what'd you say?
I said 10 and 2 for 12, or 20.
10 and 2, okay, you can break it down. You can multiply it together and then break it down, or you can just start breaking it down right there. Now, the answer includes all of these, right? Not just this one or this one. They multiply together to make one big number, so you break it down. So,
Break it down.
Carolyn, do you know what it's going to be?
Well, wouldn't it be 2 and 55?
Close. It's 2 times 2 times square root of 55. So 2 times 2 is 4. I don't know if you guys remember this from last week, but I said if you don't have a calculator that can do these and you want to check some of these after you're done, you might wait and borrow a calculator from somebody. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. calculator can't do all of these, but it can do most of them. Because I kind of got rid of a lot of the hard, like it can't do this one. I did get rid of a lot of the hard ones,
Thank you, Mr. J.
but you'll see them again when we get to algebra 2.
Yeah.
Oh, we're not there yet.
Let's go.
Not yet.
Right.
Guys, no singing.
You say guys.
Ever.
It's just Roman, bro.
Bro,
Just
I think it was Paxton and you.
yeah, Roman.
stop it. I'm sorry guys, I can't help myself.
Roman, you need to learn.
Okay, Paxton, I just said be quiet.
That kind of stings. No, but I've used it like 5 times. I've used it like twice. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't. It reminds me of my childhood. That isn't a good thing.
That's the first part.
It's like look at your work. Is there still 28 questions on this test?
No, I think there's only 20. There was 26 on last week. But I think there's only 23 right now.
What?
I lost my place. Okay.
Go.
Everybody put their phones up there. I don't have a lot.
I did.
Who did not? Maybe we should ask it that way.
Mine's up there.
Bless.
I don't know what.
Is yours up? Yeah, I know. I remember what yours looked like.
What's that?
East
Mine's
Johnson.
the one up there. Basketball player.
Yeah, I remember that from the beginning.
Basketball player.
Mine's the chonky one.
Bro, if you guys tell
Mine's
the
the one
teacher
next
what
to
phone is
chonky
yours,
one.
that's like literally like not thinking strategically at all. Like
Why would I?
think about it. If you're just like, oh, mine is that one.
Or you
then
could
they're
just
gonna
be
like,
honest, Paxton.
Yeah,
That's
think
what's
about it.
an
Think
option.
about it. Think about it though. Like if you just don't say anything, it's like, cause now you guys know that if
Or
like,
you could
phone
say-
isn't up there,
Or you can
then
say
your
your
phone's
phone
gonna
and
know.
somebody
Hey,
else's.
Paxton,
Anyways, mine's the
your
blue
phone
one
look
with
like?
the clip.
Wait, with the apple one? Oh my gosh.
Oh wow.
All right, Olivia, how'd you do number 7?
Would you simplify 14?
Well,
No.
okay, you can multiply these together, right? Shh. That'd be like 98. What would 98 break down into?
Is 12 going in on here?
Do.
No?
Look right here.
I'm not gonna do 2. Easy.
Right here.
2? Oh, well, yeah, okay. 7 and 14.
Shut up, vegetarian.
Okay, so what's that gonna become?
7 squared.
Let her try it herself before you whisper her answers. 7 square root of 2, but what about this negative 5 that's already there?
Would you multiply?
Yes. So it's negative 5 times 7, and then the square root of 2. Alright, Sarah, what do we do on 8?
You multiply square root of 5 on both the top and the bottom.
Yeah, they don't like you leave square roots on the bottom, so that's how you fix it. So the top is 7 square root of 5, and the bottom is, can I do anything else? No.
What?
That's it.
And you don't require to show us work on the test for that, right?
It's not really much.
Okay.
Alright, Linux, what can we do on number 9? Do those add together?
No.
So what can we do?
Divide the 30. So divide the 75.
Right. Do you know something that goes into 75?
2. Oh, wait.
5.
No.
See, it's 5, I think it's 15, right?
Or you can do 3 and 25.
Or 3 and 25.
5.
Okay, so this is gonna become what?
5.
Still Linux's problem.
5 square root of 3.
So I've got 7 square root of 3 plus 5 square root of 3 equals what?
Can you just add the other? 12 square root of 3.
Yes, 12 square root of 3.
Wait a second. Oh!
That was kind of small.
Okay, number 10. Sophia, what can we do on number 10? Yep. The 18 and the 72. So on the 72, you know what that's going to be, Sophia? Yep. I'll write up here. 6 square root 2. And how about on this one? 3 square root of 2, but the 5 is in front, so it's 15 square root of 2. So we have 15 square root of 2 minus 6 square root of 2 equals 9 square root of 2. Alright, Easton, what kind of problem is number 11?
Foil. No. Distributed.
Distributed.
I literally did that, but I said so big.
Well, FOIL is a kind of distributive problem, so you're not that
So
far off.
it's like
Square root of 12 minus square root of 90, I think.
Yeah.
Can I do anything else?
You can take like do like 6 and 2, and then yeah, and then I can go.
Okay, so what's the first term going to be?
I can do.
3 outside,
Nope.
inside.
The doubles escape, right? Because they need a partner to help them get out of jail. So it's 2, and then the 3's on the inside. So what would this one be then?
3 is on the outside, and then 10 on the inside.
Okay, can I do anything else? Alright, Clayton, what should we do on number 12?
We gotta multiply the 10 from the bottom and move it to the top.
How do we do that on top? Like this, it's a distribute. You have to multiply not just the 2 times square root of 10, you have to multiply the entire top, the entire numerator by square root of 10. So square root of 10 times square root of 10 is,
Square root of 100.
which is
I'm lost.
square root of 100.
Square root.
Anytime you take a square root times itself, it just gets rid of the square root. Then what's this second term going to be?
Negative 2 square root of 10.
Yes. And what's the denominator going to be?
10.
Is there anything else we can do?
No.
Okay, actually there is. All 3 of these, most people have probably missed this. All 3 of these terms, what do they have in common?
10.
2.
2.
So you can like divide the top by 2, divide the bottom, like reducing a fraction. It's got to work on all the terms though, not just a couple of them. So if you divide them all by 2,
No 5s.
well, this one's not a 5. 2 divided by 2 is 1 square root of 10. It's just square root of 10.
That's crazy.
Alright, you guys good on that one? Let's do a couple more from this section and then we'll move on. Let's do. What number are we on?
13.
27.
Why did you say it like that?
I said it farther. Stop copying me in it.
No crying in my place.
No, stop.
The new CSO is literally just way better.
Bro, I promise you it's not.
Nah, I saw some like, they look like that early game.
Bro, Clayton,
It looks like
Shh. Alright, next problems are up. Go, go, go.
Oh.
pretty small. I totally got that wrong.
just trying.
I forgot where we're at. Is it Roman again?
We're on Romano.
That's Spanish for brother.
For what? I just did.
Oh, I thought you said Hermano. You say Roman.
Romano. Wait, no.
I know Spanish.
No, you don't.
Don't care, didn't I?
El Niño Caballos.
El Nino is Spanish for
The boys.
the Nino.
Soy negro.
I know. What? I know because he's built like boys.
Bro. Okay. You don't gotta be like that.
Roman.
You need to like that, bro.
I did not, bro.
You
Oh,
can't be
now
saying
he's got
that.
Lennox. Oh, now he's got beef.
That is not what I meant, bro.
Alright, Roman, how do we do number 13?
Alright, so you gotta do it outside. Wait, no. First, you gotta do the first. So
Okay.
3,
3 times 3 is.
6.
Try again.
I'm at 9. I'm at 9.
Okay, outside.
3 negative or square root of 5.
Inside.
Negative 5. No, it's a negative square root of 5. 3 times 3.
Is.
Wait, you can do that?
How would I write it?
Oh. But minus square root of 5
the square comes last.
Oh,
Okay.
3 square root. 3.
Why do you think it's not a good idea to write it like that?
You don't think it's 53?
Okay, it looks like 53. It looks like the 3 might be under the square root. So you always put the square root last. Alright. And then what's the last gonna be?
The last is gonna be minus square root, no. Oh, it's just nothing.
No. If you add it, it's nothing, but if you multiply it, it's...
Oh, 25. 25.
No.
What's the square root of 25?
5.
Okay, is there anything else we can do?
Yes.
Okay, what?
You can cancel out the middle.
Yeah. Remember on conjugates that always happens, right? Okay, what else? 9 minus 5, right?
Yeah. 4.
Okay. Timothy, do you remember how to do 14?
Yeah, you gotta do 8 squared plus x squared.
Yeah, that's 15.
Oh, sorry. You gotta do 1, you gotta multiply it by the opposite, so which would be 1 plus square root of 3.
Yeah, they're called conjugates. Yes. Because just like on 13, what happens is the square root goes away when you do that. So what's the top going to become?
7 plus 7 square root of 3.
What's the bottom? So because conjugates, the outside inside cancel out, you can just do first and last. What's the first?
1,
What's the last?
negative 3.
So we have 7 plus 7 square root of 3 over
2,
negative 2. Okay, the book would probably take the negative and put it on the top or something like that, or maybe even put it out in front, but technically that's correct.
So you can't put it like where the line is, like in front of
They might, I don't, sometimes they're hard to predict. You could put it right there, because the numerator divided by the denominator, if one of them's negative, the whole thing is negative. Or you can distribute the negative out on the top, whatever. Okay, 15, this is a little bit trickier than number 3 was, Paxton. You remember how we set these up?
Yes, so a squared would be square root. So basically, a squared plus x squared equals 20 squared.
Okay, yeah. Just think, it makes sense. The 2 smaller ones should add up to the bigger one, right? Not the bigger one plus the smaller one equals 1. And also, of course, they're squared. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 8 squared is 64. You guys know why they put this in this chapter?
Squaring.
Because,
It's not very nice. There's an x. I don't know.
yeah, we're about to have to do a square root, right?
Let's go.
That's a big number. Square root of
36.
336.
4
I don't know.
outside the box.
2.
21.
4 squared is
Inside
21.
the box.
2.
2.
I'm not doing 2s. Let's
4.
2.
3.
Okay.
2.
4 and 84.
2.
What goes into 84?
2.
4 and 21.
7.
Okay, so it's 4
4.
square root of
21.
21. You do something funny.
You talk to the operator explanation.
Okay, now we're on to you guys' favorite equations.
Oh boy.
Oh, golly, oh, boy.
Hooray.
Never. Never again. Unless you're not.
I have a bruise there, bro. No.
Okay, the directions are, guess what? Solve the equation. And it does say and check your solution.
Wait, it literally says guess what solve the equation.
I said, guess what?
You little goober.
The directions are getting snarky.
You bro. Clayton, you're a goofy goof.
Bro, my ribs hurt.
Good.
What are you doing?
My little sister dared me to do a double fun
trampoline.
Why man, I land on the metal bar on the trampoline.
Yeah, I
You're
feel
asking
like
So kind of a trampoline.
I mean, your legs were still on the trampoline.
My legs were on, and then I flipped off the side.
That's not an advantage.
I mean, at least you'll have chance.
Bro, like the right side of things. Don't worry.
Mr. Jordan, there's a little sidebar.
Don't make me laugh, bro.
Sorry,
Got rid of it.
don't giggle, bro.
I'll just put a -5 over here. Okay.
Don't be vexed.
Gotta move.
You guys tried 16 yet?
Yeah,
Yeah.
No, easy.
Do 16.
I'll do it.
It was easy.
Hold on, it's not time yet. I want everybody to try it first.
not trying to describe it.
Fuck Eva. It's time for me and Lauren to get married.
Alright, alright.
Just kidding, we're not getting married.
I like Skylar. Skylar reminds me of Bowser. He's like, he wants to marry Peach, but Peach doesn't want to marry him.
But Peach is a girl.
You know what?
I don't accept that.
So number 17 has a
I guess
decimal. Like it ends up in 8.6.
16?
Yeah, well,
17.
fraction.
Don't have cancer.
That was
We've seen fractions before, don't panic.
Don't be afraid, Gianna. God is with you.
Don't be shy.
I'm shy.
Stop.
Alright, now we're ready, Skylar.
Okay. So you want to square both sides.
Right, square to get rid of the square root. What's the next line gonna be?
And then what you want to do is do a minus 5 equals 49. You want to do and then is plus 5 to both sides. And then that's going to be 54.
Whoops.
Oh!
Alright.
See how I'm doing that, teacher?
Okay, why would the directions say check your answer?
Because it can be wrong.
Because you might get it. It might not exist.
54 minus 5 is 49. Square root of 49 equals 7.
That's crazy.
But it's right, because I did it.
Okay,
That's all.
Okay.
Gianna, how about 17?
Jana.
The square was the so that would be 3x minus 1 equals 25. Add 1 on both sides. And divide by 3 after we get back, which is 26.
What do you mean?
So you get x equals 26 over 3. Then you gotta check.
It's a little bit harder to plug in, but you guys know what 3 times 26 over 3 is?
26.
Yeah.
You guys remember that? It's 26.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 is 25. Square root of 25 is
5. So it's not.
5, not negative 4.
Oh, shoot.
No solution.
So this one was no
Wrong.
solution.
They really out here
So
making us
you
do
were
all that
right
work.
about the thing.
Yeah, it was.
Are you
You're not-
Shh, hush. Okay. Carolyn, what should our first step on 18 be?
It would be to add -6 on both sides.
Add what now?
6.
6. So we have 4a minus 5. Then what?
Then you would square both sides. That would be 16
What?
for a minus
You know
5.
Plus 5, right?
Perfect front double blush.
Shh, Easton, you shouldn't be talking right now.
Then 21 equals 4.
Yeah, probably on the test, one of these will like actually be a whole number or something. Or integer. But maybe not. I didn't really look at the answers.
How are we gonna check it?
Okay, if we check it, what's 21 over 4 times 4?
Yes.
21, right? The 4's cancel out. So 21 minus 5 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4 plus -6, -2. Okay, what number is this? 19?
That. No.
They're not my odds. Same number.
bad song. Don't
You were
sing.
literally.
I told you guys not to sing in this class. Stop.
I was just talking. My bad. I said no.
Alright, these will be on the board, but you have to know how to use them, so go ahead and try 19, well, 19 A and B, I guess.
I thought you were leaving the formulas on the board.
I just said that.
I thought you said that we needed to know how to do it.
You have to know how to use them.
There's no way that we're gonna do this to
Make you.
Guess I'll put my work over here. You guys got an answer for the midpoint yet?
I do. It's probably wrong, but yeah.
It is definitely.
I have answer for the point.
No.
One of these, like today they're not a fraction, but one of these could be a fraction or decimal.
Like anything in school. I
Did you guys do this, hopefully?
I just don't.
Yes, I did.
So that'd be 6 divided by 2 is 3, 6 divided by 2 is 3.
You know, I got. Yes,
Yay.
yes, Skylar got it right.
For a while.
Elbow.
Okay, have you guys tried distance yet?
Wait, what? I'm still trying to.
Try, Easton, try distance.
That's what I'm doing here now. I'm plugging it in.
I am Lord Voldemort.
I can't see the numbers now. You look like Voldemort. Okay, you can move down. Okay, just giggle, dude.
You have to graph?
What?
What?
Oh, shoot.
I have to draw a graph.
Like, say it on my board.
Alright, guys.
Okay, Skylar.
I mean, come on, guys.
So, what does this come out to?
Negative 6.
148?
Yeah.
148, let's see, that's 4 times 37, is that right? 2 squared root of 37? Alright, last one.
Wait, is that over?
Okay. Now, maybe the hardest part for you guys, I don't know, maybe not. What are some good x values to plug in here? What are some values that have square roots? 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. What x value do I need to use to make this equal to 0?
2.
2.
2.
Because 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 has a square root. Some of you on this assignment forgot to actually do the square root on the evens. So anyway, I'm going to use 2 for an x value. What x value can I plug in right here to make this
2
equal to 1? 3. What x value could I plug right here to make this equal to 4?
6.
6. And what could I use to make this equal to 9? 11. Okay, so what that kind of tells us is that the graph is gonna be really kind of far to the right.
Dang it.
Mr. Ryan, can you scroll back to the number 19 just to make sure like
Not right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I went up to 5.
Yeah, it's not gonna go very high. If I plug in 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, square root of 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. If I plug in 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, plus 3 is... Okay, and then this is where people start getting it wrong because they forgot to do square root. 6 minus 2 is 4, square root of 4 is 2, plus 3 is 5. Yeah, if you set it up like this, this should happen every time because we chose the smallest ones that worked out nicely. 11 minus 2 is 9, square root of 9 is 3, plus 3. So we got 2, 3, that's like the starting point. 3, 4, oh, it does go up to 6, doesn't it? 6, 5, 11, 6.
I wish I was 6'5".
go back up to
You,
number
yeah,
19?
you
Could you go up to number 19?
Don't you broke.
Oh,